In 2019, Jiasen Smart Home Company Limited was founded and established in Jingbu New District, a national economic development zone. The company's factory has a total area of 25,000 square meters and a registered capital of 12 million RMB. It is an enterprise that mainly produces American-style kitchen and bathroom cabinets, as well as cabinet accessories. The company is an all-round furniture enterprise dedicated to design, production, research and development, and sales. The market focus is the North American and European continents. In the beginning of its establishment, the company took customer first, reputation first, quality first, service first as its corporate tenet, adhering to the business philosophy of quality-oriented excellence, integrity management, and service-oriented. Jiasen Smart Home Company Limited keeps learning and sharing global resources, is keen to be innovative, keeps pace with the times, and develops steadily. The company has advanced production equipment, superb processing technology, professional production experience, highly competitive sales price, high quality and stable production quality, to ensure the quality and stability of products in an all-round and multifaceted manner. Technology is the primary productive force, and talent is the engine that drives the development of an enterprise. The company holds core values of people-oriented, co-creation and sharing, and continues to strengthen personnel training and independent innovation capabilities to create a team with high cohesion and innovative capabilities. Every Jiasen person strictly adheres to the pragmatic, rigorous, self-disciplined, and efficient corporate style, creates a corporate atmosphere characterized by innovation, promotes competition and cooperation, and achieves the perfect combination of individuality and team spirit. The enthusiasm and creativity of every Jiasen person provides a steady stream of driving force for the development of the company. Despite the unchanged vicissitudes of the everyday life, Jiasen person are working hard to move forward. Today's Jiasen Smart Home is like an eagle spreading its wings, facing a new round of strategic development opportunities, soaring forward, surpassing in continuous innovation, and achieving a steady lead in social, economic, and ecological benefits with a harmony, truth-seeking, and win-win corporate spirit. Jiasen is constantly learning from outstanding industry colleagues and striding towards a goal of building a century-old enterprise and becoming a world-class furniture product and service provider.